Hello and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, the real Princey. Princess P, princess in our real life, you don't know. And today we blinging this bottle, these mini bottles. It's Valentine's Day and you know that everybody's trying to get their little swag on, get their little creep on, get their little sneaky link on. And if you drinky drink, then this might be something cute, a nice little idea, gift idea, activity, something to add a little pizzazz to your gift basket or whatnot. Go ahead and watch. I'll show you guys exactly what to do, exactly how to achieve this style. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to your girl, TheRealPrincy, Princess P. Click that subscribe button. And all of my real ones, those are the ones who are there and they've been here and they keep coming back. You know, some are rated. Big up all my real ones. Real recognize real in a real life. Let's go. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. Stay with me. What you waiting for? I want you here with me forever. Ever. Yeah. So what do you guys think? Do you love how this bottle came out? The gold and the red. This is not a flat red. This is a custom color mix red, and it looks amazing to me. I did that basket here, so if you guys want details on how I did this basket, go ahead and click that link right up at the top there, because I will show you. Thank you guys so much for watching and being here with me. Stay tuned. You know, there's always more coming at you. It's your girl, the real Princey, and all the real ones that are the ones that been here, they stay here, they coming back. Those are the real ones. Thank you so much. Signing out. Bye.